All right, so that last video went pretty good. So today I'm gonna make a hack together fire pit. Yeah. When you're watching my videos, don't do what I do. You know, safety is important.
For parts, we're working with a Samsung washer bin and the bottom of a garden bench that used to be in the rose garden before my daughter ran it over.
So yeah, I got the legs cut out and I'm just setting this up for a little bit of layout. If anybody wants to know why your Samsung washing machines fail, it's because its center web is made out of aluminum. And you might remember from chemistry, but if you put aluminum with anything caustic, it evolves hydrogen gas and becomes aluminum hydroxide. All right, so here's the cross brace, setting that up, and I'll have to cut that and thread the end. And still threading that rod. I got the parts for that launch controller, still working on that. The anti-gravity system's taking a little more effort than I thought it was. It's really important to have a lot of spare parts if you're just going to be hacking and trying to make things work, because you never know when you need something, like a bottle of sangria. Some baling wire there. I probably could have welded that, but never underestimate the utility of some baling wire. All right, so we got the feet put on there. It's looking pretty good, and I'm thinking about a smokestack because we're gonna get it right to work. First thing we need is a good tool for cutting. Got the metal cut out. Now I need to flatten out some wrinkles in it. Always important to have the right tools. Well, so the design team sort of gave me a veto on the water heater cores. This is metal from a Trane heater from my neighbor's house. Thanks, neighbors. Sorry you had to change out your heater. Burning all the little wood mistakes I'm making in the garage. There's your fire pit. All right there, design team. What do you think of that fire pit?
It's awesome.